action.
Hey y'all, this is Sharon with Sharon and Walter, and I got my own little dash cam camera. This one is a step down from the one we got Walter. It's the Biuone. I don't know how to say that. It's Biuone, and this is the model A20, and it does come with a rear cam, but we will not be installing that. And we just wanted to do a quick install video for you, and then later on I'll go over how to use the cam. Alright, one thing is the camera attaches to this one does a suction cup instead of like the sticky thing that on Walter's, because Walter's is permanent. That's not going to move.
No.
But the camera kind of just, can you see that? It kind of just slides in like that onto, oops, that's Butterfingers. Alright, that just slides right in onto that suction cup. Okay.
Yes.
And we've already kind of figured out where it's going to be best, and I have more room up here on the windshield than Walter does, because his mirror takes up a lot more room. So I'm gonna hide it right behind the mirror there. I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off.
And we feel like too that this we're not even sure what this mesh is.
I don't know. It shouldn't interfere with whatever this is, if this is some kind of antenna or what.
I'm not sure if it is the radio, but actually that'll help shade it, because I noticed on mine it gets pretty hot in the sun, because obviously it's in your windshield.
So you want to be sure and take this plastic off the suction.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And my experience with them is don't keep them clean. Any little bit of hair or stuff.
Yeah. And this also has, the suction has a lock on it. So right now it's unlocked.
Yes.
And put it up here, and my camera can still move around right here.
Yeah.
There's plenty of room, and it's not really going to be in my way. And then I can just go lock, and there you go. It's stuck right on. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and connect the power cord. And the way I have this set up, the power cord is going to be on top. That's where the power cord is. And you also want to make sure that you have it oriented in such a way that you can easily get this off, and that your mirror is not going to be in the way. Another thing is, this goes into your car's lighter charger.
It's down here.
Yep, right here.
Yeah.
They do provide a USB cord, but that's purpose is to connect it to your PC only. This is not for charging. They say specifically only use this to charge the cam, and it will not work if it is not hooked in. It does not have like a backup battery. It does have the G-force battery, like
the super capacitor.
So, but it's not. It doesn't really save much. So, from my understanding,
15 seconds maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and put the power cord in.
Yeah.
All right.
And then you got it.
And put it up here.
Yeah. And the way you have it slid.
The way I have it is so I can. Oops. There we go. Slide it that way. See, if I did it the other way, the mirror would be.
The mirror mount would be.
Yeah. And if I did it on that side, the mirror mount would be in the way. So.
That's true. So you got to look at all that stuff.
All right.
But you have a suction cup mount where you can take it off.
Yeah, that's cool. So you can easily move it around if you don't like the location, or if it's in your way somehow.
You got a helper there.
All right, so let me get all this unwrapped.
Yeah, and what we're going to do is probably do the same as we did. Probably going to run it under. We think we're going to run it underneath. Mm-hmm. And then down the passenger side, because honestly, most of the time
I don't see how it would work any other way.
Yeah.
I mean, you could just hang it like that if you wanted to, but that would be distracting to me.
Yeah, and we have enough cord not to. So
yeah, and there's plenty of cord that we don't have to do that. I mean, I guess, you know, people hang stuff off their mirror and it's not distraction for them, but it is for me. So.
Yeah, so we're going to try to hide it. And then the passenger side's not a big deal, because rarely do we have passengers. Well, I mean, I rarely ride with you, so.
Yeah, you know, usually I'm driving alone, or if I do have a passenger, this should not really be in anybody's way.
No, hopefully we'll install it nicer. So.
pink little clamps that have stickies on the back so that you can clamp the cord down.
Yeah.
And it doesn't hang out too much.
We're going to try it. So I think I want to do is just, I'm going to hold the cord there, and then it goes around the door. And I actually went through the glove box, which I'm not really that happy with, but action.
All right, so we're going to power her on. Oh, look, I turned it on. I see a little light. That's a plus sign.
There it goes. Whoa.
And it makes an interesting little jingle when it powers up. Walter does that. It sounds like Christmas bells to me.
Well, that's breaking me. You got a very large screen.
Yeah, that's a nice big screen.
It's
it's very clear.
Yeah.
And I think I actually still have the thing on it.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Okay. So we took it off the mount for a second because it's a little bit
Yeah, it would be too hard to see
actually
up
see,
there.
and that maybe you need to be moved because maybe you will want to see more.
Yeah, so I don't know. Walter suggested that I might want to see it and move it down, but to me I think that would be distracting. I really just want it so that should something happen, because I'm about to go on a long trip, I want to have it available in case something in case I get cut off or shot, then my camera has proof.
Accident we're thinking.
I mean, it's just kind of a backup.
Yep,
in
for
my
safety.
mind. And
so.
it is called like the black box. So there you go.
Yeah, that's true. It is, isn't
Yeah,
it? That's
it's
kind
the
of a
black box.
That's kind of their.
Yeah, and it does come with an
Bunkier.
SD card. But it does. You can set it up for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. I think maybe not even that long. But I'll be messing with it before I go, and eventually do a video on how to use it.
Yeah, all the basic functions, but
it does not have an app.
Yeah, that is one thing.
So yeah, so you have to, if you want to pull your images, you have to connect it to a PC.
You do, and that's why the cord comes with the PC.
Yeah, you can pull the SD card or connect with the USB.
And it came with a 32 gig
Yes, it
card.
comes with 32 gig SD card.
And we don't think it'll go more than 32 gigs, though, from what I read, which that's kind of, might be 32
well,
gigs.
this was a little,
it's on the budget.
It's very budget friendly.
Yep.
And this is the SD card, so you have to, if you want to use that in your PC, you'll have to get an adapter.
Yes. Or we think you just hook up direct with
up the USB.
Yeah.
Okay, it does recommend that you format the card when you first start it up.
Yes, of course.
So I'll be doing that.
Yes. But actually, just for the image,
I mean, so far
right
it looks good, and it does have it still has the thing on. Be sure to take that off. We forgot to take it off of Walter's.
About a week.
There you go.
Yeah, but I mean that right off the bat, I like it that the monitor's bigger because you kind of see what you're doing, positioning wise and stuff. We got a little helper here.
Yeah, we got a helping hand.
Yeah.